Welcome back to the Guy Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at an electric head shaver. Now I'll be honest, I typically wet shave my head with a razor blade every day, face and head with it. But I've always had an electric shaver, kind of like this one, that allows me to do little touch-ups. Maybe I missed a spot, maybe it's the end of the day, I just want to do a quick little touch-up on this before I go to dinner or some other event. So I picked up a new one on Amazon. I'm going to give you a little review of what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and more with it in a quick second. First though, a few quick disclaimers. This was not a review unit. I did buy it with my own money to give you a review and, to be honest, to use it myself. Pricing on this changes so rapidly, I hate to give you a price and have it be wrong. I'll put a link to it in the show notes and in the first pinned comment down below so you can find it on Amazon there. Lastly, if this helps you at all, please consider hitting that subscribe button or hitting that thumbs up. Doing one or both lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. With that said, let's dive into it. Starting off with taking a look at the actual device. It does have a USB-C charger. It comes with a USB-C cable, a little power button here, and then it lights up a little display here. It tells you how much time is left. It announces 30 minutes of battery life with, or 90 minutes of battery life. Probably about 30 to 90 is probably the range you're going to get with it. Nice adjustable head, a little flexibility here, which makes it nice, and a removable cover. Now this brings me to the few things with the actual physical design of the device I don't like. This cover, it just seems to not really latch on very well. It kind of pops off. I feel this throwing this into a suitcase or travel bag will just come off very easily. But beyond that, the actual design of it, physically, no problems. Very, very happy with how this works, how I like it. Feels very good. You got pretty standard head layout here to shave your head with it. Let's take a look at everything that came with it, talk about some pros and cons. 90 minutes of battery life with it on a single USB-C charge should easily get you a significant amount of time between charges, which is nice. You don't have to constantly run it to charge every time you use it. The noise level of it is pretty decent. You can hear it here. So not too bad. Probably average type noise for a device like this. And it comes with a lot of attachments. You got a brush attachment, a trim attachment if you have a beard maybe, or you just want to get nice sideburns or whatever it is. Not a lot of different features with it. Very easy to use. I do not feel at all any issues in using this on my head, cutting myself. I've never had a problem with that. The adjustable heads, the spring loaded, the adjustable neck on this makes it very comfortable, so you don't have to have the perfect angle with it. With that. Now, how does it compare to wet shaving? Let's be honest. A razor blade and shaving cream is just going to get you the closest shave in my experience. Maybe I'm just not as good at these electrics as I should be, but these are pretty good though, especially as a touch-up. Can't tell you how many times it's been, you know, I'm fully dressed, I'm getting ready to go, and I look in the mirror and I see just a little, like a little line on the side here or something. I missed a spot. Instead of, I'm going to get a little bit of shaving cream and razor blade, I could just grab something like this and do that. I love how quick it is. In a few minutes, I can do a quick little touch-up shave and get myself looking great for dinner out with my wife. Maybe I got go see my daughter's play or some other event. That's a great one. I love the ease of use. The rechargeable battery with USB-C, really nice. Price point's excellent. Overall, I'm gonna give this 2 thumbs up. It's a nice device, does what it says it's going to do, does it well. Many people may be perfectly happy with this on its own and just use this for everyday shaving. I can definitely see why. I think it's really good. I think I'm in the habit, and I kind of have a thick beard, of using a razor and shaving blade. I'll probably continue to do that. But this gets a lot of work around my house. Almost every day, a little touch up, end of the day before I go out or something like that. So highly, highly recommend it. Do say this is a very nice device. Check it out, link in the show notes down below. Well, until next time, take care, be safe. I'll be back again real soon.